welcome back again to our YouTube channel. And today's vlogs, we're on the way to where we're going to.
I have no idea.
Silverfalls.
We're going to hike on the Silverfalls.
Yeah.
Hiking? We're hiking. I didn't know that.
We're going. It's our first time to see falls, right?
And just to tell you guys, I have oh my gosh, the road. Oh my H&M girl.
Wait. Oh. Whoops.
Is this the Polar Express movie all over again? Remember when they go on that deep dive?
Just like a roller coaster, that one. Okay, it's just an interruption, guys.
Oh,
so another one.
Whoever made this road
Look, wait.
Oh, it's a Mukalo.
Ooh, look. It's like a roller coaster.
Whoever made this road should get a raise.
It's a roller coaster. Just like we go up and down. Alright. Oh, wait.
Again?
No more. It's a nice view, right? I like it. Sorry again. So we're back. Another interruption. So we're back. No, let's just finish. So we're bringing you to one of the falls here in Oregon. So see you.
Meltzer's Diary. Our vlogs are about fun, family, food, and gaming. Hope you like our video and subscribe.
Hi guys, today we're going to the Silverfalls State Park in the US. It is about 20 miles southeast of Salem, and it is the largest state park in Oregon. Once you enter inside, you have to pay $5 to get in. This could be purchased in many of their trailheads. So guys, we are now here after 45 minutes, and did you know that there are 10 waterfalls in this area? And if you want to, fun fact, you can actually go camping here with an RV, or you could check in with the lodge, whichever one you like more. Let's go explore this place together.
Alright, let's go. What happened? Alright, we're gonna go entrance now.
So now we are coming up to the first bridge, and me and my family were getting an the very good view of the river. It's like nice, but my mom is getting the the good view of my dad's head. It's very good. And here is the view or video of the river. There's a lot of fish in there. Like, I saw them personally with my own 2 eyes, that there were rivers, and I mean there was a river but there was fish in there too, so that's cool.
Ati, don't jump. Okay.
Right there.
Where?
I don't know where you're pointing.
What are you pointing?
Right there.
What?
In the back, all the way. In the back, all the way there.
Ducks?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's some very open spaces. So maybe
We got a huge play area here. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Come on, everybody. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's go.
After walking like 1,000 miles, we found the second bridge. Round of applause, snaps for us. We completely slayed it when we found this bridge. And there's my brother's bald head with the beanie walking over the bridge first.
Oh,
there's the
That sounds
waterfall.
like a waterfall.
yeah, that's the falls. Going to right there, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
There's the waterfall.
Z.
I hear the
Z,
rapids.
are you excited to see the falls? Yeah, we're excited to see the falls. Careful. Yeah, we're here. Oh boy, yeah. Oh wow. Look, look. Wait muna. Careful. Okay, careful.
You guys, the trail. Oh.
Oh yes. So if you see that one, that's the falls. We have to go down here, there, all the way down. Yes.
We can just go over there.
Yeah, yeah.
You guys, just go over there now.
Look at this little guy. He's excited to go down. Are you excited to go down? All right. Yay.
Does it bother me?
We're good here. You get the... Yay! So it's nice, huh? That's the Silverfalls. Ash! Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nakapagod. I guess we're from this area. Okay. What is in there? Oh, it's warm here.
So guys, we are now in the gift shop to see what we can get. See, as you can see that there were beanies, like stuffed animals, literally anything you could imagine. And look at that life-size jaguar. I thought it was real at first. And then I was looking at, what are those? I don't know, but it's really pretty. After the gift shop, we went for round 2 so we could look at the beautiful nature and how we enlighten it, and like it makes our day. And this place is very nice to bond with your family, and like no gadget free day. It's very like nice and beautiful around the surroundings. So 10 out of 10 recommend to bond with other people. So if you guys live near or in Oregon, you should put the Silverfalls State Park on your bucket list or to-do list, because this is a very nice place to bond with your family and just camp around and have fun.
Over the falls.
But if I just dropped your phone right now?
I with mommy for 10 years. All right.
All right, so that's all for our Silver Falls State Park trip. We hope you enjoyed it.
After like a bajillion miles, we're finally gonna go home. I really miss this place now because it was really beautiful, but then again, I'm kind of grateful because of the bajillion miles I had to run or walk, right? Bye bye, see you next time.
It's a good one.
Man, that was some exercise.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
So much fun. Did you have fun, Dada? All right.